slipping and sliding this shit. Oh! Nah, bro, doing a burnout. Stand still. Allah! Yo, this nigga's wildin'. Damn, I'm already stuck in some snow, nigga? That boy is flying. Got you, twin.
They meet you at your crib?
Nah, I'm about to meet him over there, like probably 20 minutes out, 25 minutes. I'm just nervous, bro. This shit.
You nervous to drive in the snow station?
Yeah, because my riz is slicky, bro. Like, nigga, my riz is bald as fuck, nigga.
Nigga, you better take your time.
Hell yeah.
I went out there with my brother X Drive 330. That nigga shit is stock.
But they plow some of this road.
You can just take your time, do your intro and shit. You know what I mean?
What's good, YouTube? We back, man. As y'all can tell from the title, we about to be fucking drifting this shit, man. In the snow, we getting the first big snowstorm out here in my state. Gonna go to my boy's crib right now and grab some spare tires and swap them instead of driving in these. But we should get some content, man. We should get some good content for y'all. Should be like 3-4 of us. It's like my first time really bringing the G out to do some shit like this in the snow, so let's see how this shit go. I'm gonna take it, you know, easy right now because the snow is still a little crazy. Got like a 25-minute drive to take the boys and shit, so gotta be real careful. Oh, I'm sliding already. Oh yeah, I'll put this bitch in third. This shit skated. Oh my god, yo, I gotta be careful. Let me call my boy.
Yo.
Yeah, this fucking shit is OD right now. I'm taking it dumb slow, bro. I'm barely even touching the throttle and that shit just kicking. I'm going dumb slow though. I'm about to grab the tires right now and then shit, I'm on the way to you. Some of the main roads over here is plowed though. It's just
that's how I was looking for the main road, but
it's just the side streets.
wondering how the roads by the shop are looking. I wonder how quick they fucking.
You think they touched them already?
I don't know. No idea. I'm passing the Pride though.
Oh shit, you're already up there. Damn, I'm already stuck in some snow, nigga.
You're stuck right now?
I'm just busting a U in my shit. Yeah, I'm stuck.
You gotta put it in reverse or something. Back up a little. Try again.
Bag up, Terry. Put it in reverse, Terry. Put it in reverse. Oh, Lord, Jesus. Oh, Lord.
Still stuck?
Yeah, bro.
No.
In the middle of the road, too.
Get some help?
Yeah, I'm just trying to I try to bust a U-turn and I'm already stuck.
You trying to get out?
Yeah.
Alright.
As I can see, pulled up to my man shit. Getting stuck out here. Somebody said you're gonna come up here real quick. Get this car out. Throw this in the trunk.
No, it's alright, babe.
We're gonna try to move the car now and get it out. Alright, let's try to get up out of here real quick. Oh, never mind. We good. We good.
Have a good night.
Thank you.
Have a good night, man.
Thank you. I will. I thought it was gonna be harder than that. Some of the roads not fucking plowed, so that's why I'm getting stuck. And these tires are shit, like I said. But yeah, I'm gonna take it easy. Made it onto the fucking highway. Yo, that shit was fucking nasty. Oh my god. Put my seatbelt on. Man. Getting some quick gas, man. Bro, I'm skating everywhere. This shit looks fucking shit. Look Look how dirty this shit is, bro. But I'm scared. I don't think I'm gonna get out there. I skated through here. I'm gonna try going this way, but about to swap the wheels. Like I said, I got some bullshits in the trunk. I got some stock G37 wheels. I'm gonna just put on. We about to get to the shop right now. Throw them shits on. Man, link up with the guys real quick. That boy, stay tuned, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe if you haven't. Oh my god, bro, this shit is fucking nasty. No bullshit, I drove so far and this shit is like, this wasn't a smart idea, man. This wasn't smart at all. I don't know why I did this. I really don't know why I did this. But yeah, just got this shop. About to throw on these nasty ass tires because these shits don't fucking, oh my, no tread on this bitch. But guys over there gonna swap it for me. What up though? Yo, you brought the head mount? You left it? Damn. I'm fucked then. I don't got a head mount. Alright, I guess I'm gonna just have to do what I gotta do. Feel me? Nigga, what's just cooked, bro? How does it look? Oh yeah.
See it? Right in the middle of the car, right?
Kind of hard to see, but you can see it one like right there. Long story short, I brought the wrong tires, so I'm stuck on the same shits. I can't go too far. Yeah. We got the G out and the Subi out, ready to fucking drift some shit. Guys in there. Let's see, bro. This shit's sticking. You got traction off? Allah.
Little straight kick, I ain't gonna lie, that shit look straight. Acting like she don't wanna go though. Bro be wildin'. Hell! Kick, what?
Yo, I'm gonna try this in playback now.
Bro, chill, bro, you about to burn off my legs, bro. You remember that last video? My fucking legs about to get burnt. Bumba club. Dumb, and I ain't gonna lie.
My ABS like, what the fuck?
Good.
Oh my god, he's, oh my, yo, he's going. Oh yeah.
Trial and error with the G. different POV for y'all today. Y'all know about the soup. Y'all know about the soup.
I think this is where we should be at, low key.
This strip?
Kinda, or the next one over. Either way.
God damn! Yep. These niggas wildin'. They forgot I'm on foot. Yo. Black's VQ is almost Mac VQ. Slipping and sliding this shit. Oh! Nah, bro, doing a burnout. Stand still. Oh shit, he coming.
Fuck, bro, I'm mad as hell. When I was in the car, nah, I caught that. I was in the car, it was in picture mode, so I'm just, all the shit we just did over there, that shit was all pictures.
Hearing that shit.
We can redo that, though.
Yeah, we could.
Alright, bet. Oh my god.
Crazy.
Oh, that big ass. Shit, he caught it.
I didn't want to hit that big ass chunk of snow.
Bro, this all-wheel drive work, nigga. This all-wheel drive work, nigga.
Use the driver. Use the driver. Bro.
Yo. Oh, shit. Oh, yeah, entry. This nigga got it. You certified, bro. You definitely certified. My fault.
Hey.
Y'all see this?
Hey.
You want to drift in the trenches?
With it, bro. You want to?
Go.
About to leave the G at the shot. Hop in the Subi. They got that nigga scared.
You leave it, you leave it. Yo, we always be getting like some fucking, yo, some close ass calls, nigga. Get some fucking eats. Call it a night. Nigga, I was looking at that coconut joint. What's in there?
Just put this shit in order.
Yeah, he fake just. Nah. The one that you was just touching, but the white joint. Yeah.
Coconut milk?
That's always milk? Yeah, he gonna be mad as shit.
Yo, bro, you know that shit good, bro? Yeah, it's good.
What's your favorite one?
What's your favorite one?
Nigga lying.
I don't like. Where the bro?
How you know it's good, nigga?
When people buy it. When people buy it? Yeah.
But how you know it's good? You said it's good.
Yeah, we had it you, bro.
The best one though.
With a side of the strawberry.
You lying. Nah, I'm gonna get one of those though. Alright dog, so that's gonna damn near wrap up the video. I hope y'all enjoyed. I'm about to head over to the crib now and try to make it safe. You know what I mean? I'll keep y'all posted on how this drive goes, but yeah, if y'all enjoyed that video, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, all that. And just pray for me. Make sure I get home safe, you know what I mean?
Okay, bye.